Most business owners are sitting on a goldmine and they don't even know it. They have thousands of dead leads, people who inquired a year ago but never bought. Today I'm going to show you how to use AI to wake up those leads and pull $10,000 out of thin air for a client. You take a 50% cut of the profit. No code, no monthly retainers, just pure performance-based cash. Let's build your reactivation agency. Step 1. The zombie offer, the product. We aren't selling software, we are selling found money. The service, AI lead reactivation. You take a client's old list of 1,000 plus emails or phone numbers and run an AI-powered SMS email campaign that converses with them to see if they are still interested. The tech. You use Go High Level or Zapier plus OpenAI. It's a set-it-and-forget-it workflow. The profit. You tell the client, I'll run this for free. You only pay me $100 for every qualified appointment the AI books. Step 2. Finding the data-rich clients. You need businesses that have been around for 5+ years. They have the biggest graveyards of data. The targets, dentists, gyms, high-end car dealerships, and solar installers. The hunting ground, use Google Maps. Look for businesses with 200+ reviews. That's a signal they have a massive database. The Trojan horse script. Hi, I'm an AI systems architect. I noticed you've been in business for 10 years. You likely have 5,000+ old leads sitting in your CRM. If I can turn 1% of those into bookings this week using my AI system at zero upfront cost to you, would you be against a 10-minute chat? Step 3. The automated hustle execution. This is where the magic happens while you sleep. The setup. You hire a specialist on Upwork, search for Go High Level Automation Expert, for a one-time fee of $300 to set up your master reactivation template. The launch. You upload the client's dead list. The AI sends a message. Hi name, it's business. We're doing a New Year reactivation special. Still interested in service? The AI handle. When the lead replies, the AI, connected via API, answers questions and pushes them to book a call. Step 4. The big payday host. Let's look at the numbers. You reactivate 1,000 leads. 5% respond. That's 50 leads. Your AI books 20 appointments. The check. At $250 per booked appointment, standard for high-ticket niches. That's $5,000 in your pocket from one campaign. The upsell. Now that you've proven it works, you sign them to a $2,000 per month retainer to handle all new leads coming in. The conclusion. Stop begging for deals and start offering results that cost the client nothing up front. In the AI era, the person who controls the data flow controls the bank account. One client, one weekend, $5,000. Want the exact AI prompts I use to make the zombie leads start buying again? Follow me, like this video, and comment the word "wake up" below. I'll send the reactivation script straight to your DMs. Time to hunt.